Hi, this is Nitin from Tech Caesar. Today I recorded this video to discuss about content assets in Salesforce Commerce Cloud. Uh, so every storefront or every website has a content to support the business, like about us, privacy policy, contact us, or company information. So these are pure content pages, and customer will these are put onto the storefront so that customer can take a look and can confirm that can know about the company, or can know about the return policy and whatnot, right? For to buy the products. So how do we do? We have, so in the sales commerce cloud, we have a content asset object, and which store the content, which can be in the text format or which can be in the HTML format. And then and then we show that content asset onto the storefront. So let's say that you want to create a content for about us. So what you need to do, that you need to go into the content area under the merchant tool, and then you need to click on new. Once you will click on new, it will ask some information. So let's quickly see about us. So here, if you click on this about us, you you need to provide the ID, which need to be unique at library level, and we'll discuss the library in a separate video. And then it will be the name, some description, whether it need to be online or offline. If it's online, then it will be displayed into the storefront. Searchable, if it is yes, then it will be, this content can be searched through through the search box in the storefront. These are SEO related, so that crawler can crawl. These are for sitemap. And then in the body section, you need to put the content. It can be either the HTML or the text. It's up to you. And then you through this you can expand it further so that you can take a look. If you click on HTML editor, it is a WYSIWYG editor, which contains all the HTML toolkit, uh, to build the HTML, to build the content. So it's up to you whether you can use some external tool to build the HTML and copy paste here, or you can use this WYSIWYG editor to do it. Up to you. Now once you will put it, once you will put all the content here, and then what the next step will be, that uh, you need to attach uh, this about us content in your storefront, like in the footer or in some other content page. So let's, for an example, that you have created this. So how does it look like? If you will go to the storefront, you will see like this. So now here it's a content asset ID, content asset name, and then in the URL it's a content asset ID.html. So what you did, that you put the content asset ID, you attach this content asset in the storefront. And then when that content asset will be open, with the help of the ID, it's showing the name and it is showing the body section, which is this. You can also link other content assets in one content, right? So here, uh, I have attached the customer service. So once customer will click on the customer service, it will go to the customer service content page. How will I do it? I will i will come here, and then in the customer service, i'm j- I'm just saying that I'm using this URL. So URL page show is, it's an internal function. And then the CID is the content asset ID, and then here I'm passing the content asset ID. So this is the SFCC function to build the URL. So you do not need to hard code the URL. You just need to provide the content asset ID, and then it will automatically build the URL in the content. It's a pretty useful function. So that's how you build a content. You need to create a content into the content asset object. You need to put the content into the body section of the content asset object. And then once that content asset will be opened into the storefront, uh, then that body text will be displayed into the storefront. I hope you are clear with the basic concept of content asset. Thank you very much for watching my video. Goodbye.